Welcome students. Today we are going to start with practice set 14 only. Remaining sums question 7, 8 and 9. So let's start with question number 7. The product of two digit numbers is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? So children, product is given, HCF is given, LCM we have to find out. So just write it down what is given. Product of two numbers of two digit numbers is 765. HCF is given 3 and LCM we have to find out. So we have in last video we have seen the formula. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two given numbers. This is the formula. So we just substitute it. HCF is 3. LCM we have to find out, so I am writing as it is. Product is given directly of that two numbers 765, so I'll write directly 765. We have to find out LCM, so LCM I'll keep it at left. 765, this multiply 3 will come this side, it will become divide. So let's divide 765 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. Take this 6 down, so 16. So nearest is 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. Take this one more 5 down, so 3 5s is 15. So after dividing we get 255. So what is the LCM? 255. So we got it. What is the LCM? LCM we got it as 255 using this formula. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two given numbers. So let's move to the 8th sum now. 8th sum. A trader has 3 bundles of string 392 meter, 308 meter, 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of string that the bundles can be cut up to into without any leftover string? Now children, one more 3 bundles are there. These are the 392 meter, 308 meter, 498 meter. We have to find out the greatest length. Greatest means here we have to find out first the HCF. So from this 3, what will be the common? That will be your HCF, and that is only the greatest length that can be found without any leftover string. So let us find out the HCF first. To find greatest length of the string, please remember, when greatest word is coming, we have to find the HCF. Whenever least word is coming, we have to find the LCM. So greatest length, find the greatest length of the string of the given bundles. We will find the HCF of given 3 bundles: 392 meter, 308 meter, 490 meter. Let's find out the HCF of these 3 numbers. I will take down the factors individually, like in first method I have shown you. 392 individually I am taking now factors, 308 and 490. You can find it out together also. In its place it is 2, so it will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 remaining, it will be 19. So 2 nines are 18, 1 remaining, 2 6 are 12. Now again units place it is 6, it will get divided by 2. 2 nines are 18, 1, 2 8s are 16. Again it will go by 2 only because units place it is 8. 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 9s are 18. 49 goes in direct 7's table. 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. 1 came here, stop it. So these are the factors of 392. Now similarly we'll find out the factors of 308. Units place it is 8, divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again it is 4, divided by 2. 2 7s are 14, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14. 77 will get divided by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. 11 is a prime number only, so 11 1s are 11. 1 came, stop it. Similarly, we'll find out factors of 490. units place it is 0, so go by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. Now its total is 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. It will not go by 3, it will go by 5 because it is units place it is 5. So divide by 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 remaining, 5 9s are 45. 49 comes in 7's table, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So factors of 392 are 3 times 2, 2 times 7. Factors of 308 are 2 times 2, 1 times 7 and 11. 490 factors we got, 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Now HCF. HCF means we are taking only common factors. Okay, I told you in the beginning in 11th exercise, 12th exercise also. HCF means we are taking only common factors of all the three. And LCM means we take common and uncommon also. Now HCF means common. In all the three, 2 is common and 7 is common. Else nothing is common. So 2 into 7. This from this 3 2 we are taking one only common. From this 3 7 we are taking 1 7 common. So 2 7s is 14. So HCF we got 14. Therefore the greatest length of each string is how much? 14 meter. Therefore the greatest length of string of that bundles that can be cut off without any leftover string is yes, how much we got? 14 meter. So always remember whenever we have to find out greatest length, we have to find out HCF. Whenever they are asking least or smallest, we have to find the LCM. So here we have completed our question number 8. One more last question is also there. Question number 9. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? Now here children, LCM they have given us. How much it is? 180. Now HCF, what will be the HCF? HCF they are not given, but they are telling they are even numbers, consecutive even numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers consecutive means one after the other. If 2 I am taking, the next following even number for 2 is 4. So 2 and 4 are consecutive. If I am taking 8, after that what is the next even prime number following the 8 is 10. So 8 and 10. So these are consecutive even numbers. So HCF of such consecutive even numbers is always 2. Remember that. Suppose if I am taking 2 and 4, their HCF will always be 2. You find out. If I take 8 and 10, their HCF is always 2. So consecutive even numbers, their HCF is 2. You can write it here. HCF of two consecutive numbers is always 2. So that is why I am taking HCF is 2. Okay. Now we know that formula. Okay. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. So I will write it as I can take it like this also. Product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. So product of two numbers I don't know. Out of that HCF I know now. HCF is 2 and LCM is already given to you 180. So 2 into 180 if you multiply you will get it. 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 360. Now product of two numbers we got is 316. Now which are that two numbers? And they should be even numbers that their multiplication comes 360. Now children, we know the even numbers. I'll write some even numbers. From that we will find out which are that two even numbers. If we are multiplying, we are getting them as 360. So starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and dash dash dash. Let's find out first in this. 2 into 4 if you do, 2 4s is 8. If you do 6 into 8, 6 8s is 48. We want 360. 10 into 12 if you do, 12 10s is 120. When you can try by like this also. 4 6 is 24. Just in 360, so we'll move little ahead. 12 into 14 you can do. Let's multiply 12 into 14. 4 2s is 8, 4 1s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 8 6 168. 12 into 14 is 168. You can do 14 into 16. 16 4s is 64, 16 1s are 16, 16 6 is 9, 16 6 is something wrong I've done. 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 4 12 2. Nearest we are 224 it is. 16 into 18 we 14 into 16 sorry, we got it as 224. 18 into 20 let's do. 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16, 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 2, 0 6 3. Yes, we got it as. If you multiply 18 by 20 you get it as 360. So which are that two numbers, two even numbers, if you multiply them we get 360. They are which two consecutive numbers? They are 18 and 20. Therefore the two consecutive even numbers which we require are 18 and 20. So we have ended our chapter till here. The next part we will upload lesson number 15, practice set 15.